Hi everyone, this is Paul Lang from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. This week ending 7/24 of 2022, and the stock was Alley. That is a financial stock, I believe. This happened on Tuesday the 19th. This is based on a tier 2 gap with an entry on a 2-minute retest and failure DTS buy setup. The management advance and reward to risk 2.6 to 1. The total trade only lasted about an hour or so. It was done in the morning, and it's only because it hit its optimum target in that period of time. This week, if you are a member of DTS, it's a busy week. We have Monday, the biweekly scanning night, Wednesday, a DTS special event called What is Consistent Trading, and Friday is the beginning of the next cycle of the seminar program at DTS, but it starts off with a half-day seminar called Introduction to Mastering Technical Analysis, which you are all invited to. There's the quick little rundown of what is consistent trading, and that'll be Wednesday. You will get invites to all of these events in your inbox the day of the event or before if you are a DTS member. If you're not a DTS member, go over to the DTS homepage and you'll see some areas there where you can sign up to become a free member. Here's the daily chart for Alley. This was critical to the trade that particular day because you're going to gap down to right about there. And it was put on the screen if and only if we just so happen to put in a little bottoming tail and run down into that prior support level, and that's exactly what we did right through here. You can see the trade a little bit better on the hourly chart. Here's that prior tail on the daily chart right over here. We're going to open here, and the first thing we do is run down and test that area in there. That's a little support level because it existed on the daily chart. I was interested in it. It just so happened the trade did what I wanted it to do, so I started stalking it for an entry. Here is the 5-minute chart where you can see a little bit better detail of what happened, including the entry. We open right there. The stock initially kind of ran down and up, ran up one more time, and then ran down, and when it held this higher low, that's where I looked to get my entry on a secondary sign of strength. If you notice, the hourly chart, we didn't quite hit that support area, and one of the critical things to know in trading is if you want to go long, for example, whether or not you'd like to hold above that area or if you'd actually like that break that area to go long, there's a difference. In this one here, it's set up just nice, holding above that and then holding above on a retest and failure. Entry right in there on a little bit of strength. Target 1 as we retested the high of the day. And target 2 ended up being the high of the day. So excellent target taking on this one. Wouldn't have changed a thing even in hindsight. Here's that 1-minute chart. You get a little more detail here. Not a big deal, really. Open right there. It ran down initially, ran up initially, and then came down to retest that low. Entry on a little sign of strength over this area right in here. Target 1 and then target 2 is off the chart because it was taken around 34.07 on a trail. So it's off the chart to the right there a little bit after 11 o'clock. Trades like this are discussed ahead of time. People are sent watch lists. We discuss them before the market opens. Something like this, one type of trade that is a well-planned, disciplined trade that you can participate in if you are interested in doing so in the DTS Trading Room. If you want to be a member, go to the DTS homepage and figure out how you can become a member of the DTS Trading Room. Until next time, this is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.